Hi, welcome back. Now that we have created this form, it's time to call it. Alright, shall we? Okay. Now what I'll do is that this is just a user control. Okay, now I will just create a new ASPX page, new item, web form. I'm gonna call it form web control.aspx. I'm gonna open it. Okay, now this is the calling form. Okay, this is gonna be a container where you'll be having this user control. Alright, okay, so I'm just gonna, this is the user control. As you can see, I'm just gonna drag it bit. Okay, this is user control which you just created. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna drag it and drop it. Okay, this is the user control now. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this. Okay, now I'm just gonna save it and see, remember here there was no runtime, there was just a design time. We just cannot run it and see what the code is doing or what happens when the user will click on the try me button. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, since the user control is already dragged here onto this form, I'm just gonna go to the file menu and view in browser, and let's see what happens. What is gonna happen is, this page is gonna come back to me with the request from the server, and it will be having that control which I created. See, there you go, this is the control. Remember, this control was created in a web user control. It was not created in this form. Okay, so shall we just click on this one and let's see. See, it gave me a message saying that hey, you clicked me. Everything see. Now one thing that I want you to remember is this: everything was created and done in the control in the control form, in the control creation form, and not in the web form. All we did is just drag it. All we did was just drag and drop this into our form. It was that easy. For example, you know, the reason behind this is, and the advantage is, for example, if you are having like hundreds of pages, and if you want to include something that is like common to all the web pages, what you can do is that you can just create a user control, okay, and just simply drag it and drop it in all your forms, and everything is like, you know, you instead of doing the double work, you can, all you have to do is just do that, just create a form one time and just drag it and drop it onto your form. It will really make things really smooth for you. I hope that clears, I hope that clears about the concept of you know, creating user control and the advantages, and why at all we need to create a user control. I hope that you really like this demo, and for more on these videos and other videos on other products, you can always go to my website as it is shown below, and you'll get to know more on that. Thank you very much for watching this. My name is Aftab.